every output got 15 voltage. Every output got 15 voltage, but our main voltage is 12, but we are showing 15 voltage for the capacitor. We are showing 15 voltage for the capacitor. Now our charger is ready. This four switch for the four output. Four switch for the four output voltage. First connecting the AC to 20 voltage. I am connecting AC to 20 primary voltage. I am connecting now. Connecting without fuse. Later I will use fuse. Now connecting for test. Connection ready. Let's make it power. Now I am going to check the AC voltage. Look, almost 12 voltage have. Here I have 12 voltage. This one have 12. Is coming 12. This one also will be 12. This one 12. This one 12. Now need to use a diode to make AC to DC voltage. I am using also heat sink because the diode will be heat when it will make charge. I am using also paste, thermal paste. Need to make tight. It's to must be tight. Need another diode. Need 4 diode here because they will charge 4 volt 4 battery in separate. You also can use another diode. I am using bridge diode to making a good performance. Number 3 number diode. 4 diode are next ready. Let's go to connect. The middle two leg are AC and another two legs are DC. So these two wire will go to the middle two leg. I am connecting the diode. Middle two legs are AC and we have two wire for AC. Look, I am connecting strongly because when the diode will make charge, then the diode will be hot. For this case, I am connecting the diode like this. Now need to solder. I am soldering the diode. We have to solder nicely because it will be hot. Now need to connect another leg. I am connecting the same way. Need to solder now. I am soldering. We have to connect another 3 diode are like this way. Another 3 diode will be like the same way. Middle two legs are AC. Another two corner legs are DC. Now need to connect another diode. This diode connection ready. Let's connect this diode in the same way. Middle two legs are AC. I have to connect the same way. Four diodes connection ready. Now I am going to use a capacitor, 25 volts capacitor. I am using this capacitor for the voltmeter. For the battery charger, no need capacitor. I am using this capacitor for the voltmeter. If I don't use this capacitor, the voltmeter cannot work. If I don't use the capacitor, the voltmeter cannot work. I am using this capacitor only for the voltmeter. The left side leg is the negative voltage and the right side leg is the positive voltage. Left side is the negative and right side is the positive voltage. Every diode need a capacitor. I am soldering. Every diode need a capacitor. If I use the capacitor look and I already make it fixed. I use 4 capacitor in the 4 diode. Now let's go to check the voltage. I'm going to check the voltage now. Look, this is 12 voltage, this one 12, this one 12, and this one 12 in AC mode. Now DC 16, 15, 16, 15 for the capacitor. The voltage increase for the capacitor, but the main voltage is 12. It and the main voltage is 12 voltage. The main voltage is 12 voltage. ACR 12. Now let's fix another things. Look, this is the front part. 4 switch are for the 4 voltage. 4 separated 12 voltage. This on the main switch. This 4 fuse for the 4 battery. 4 and the 4 switch and the 4 you can see the 4 display. 4 display, 4 switch and 4 output are here. Look, I am making 4 wire, 4 pair wire. One black and one red is for 1 voltage, 112 voltage. The black one is negative and red one is positive. Black one is negative and red one is positive and black one is negative. The black one will go to direct and the red one will go to using the switch and fuse. In the switch and fuse. The second output. This one is the second battery output. This is the third battery output. This is the fourth battery output. This one is the fourth battery output. We have to use a good wire gauge. Good wire gauge. This is the four battery lead. 4 battery lead. Now I am going to connection. Need to connect the switch. Need to connect this wire with the switch. I am connecting to the switch. First one connection ready. Second one I'm going to connect on the second one. This is the second one. This is the third battery connection. Third battery connection. This is the fourth battery wire. Fourth battery. I am connecting the fourth battery wire. This is the 4 now charging output. Now every positive goes to the diode. Every positive goes to the diode. Look, every positive voltage. I am using the black wire for the positive voltage. It doesn't matter. The wire comes from the switch to the fuse. Comes from the switch to the fuse. If there are got any shorted, the fuse will burn. For this case, I use the fuse. Now positive wire will goes to the diode positive leg. Positive wire goes to the diode positive leg. A connection ready. 4 positive connection comes to switch from using the fuse. Comes to switch using the fuse. 4 positive comes to switch using the fuse. Look, negative connection I use direct. This is negative wire. I use direct. Direct I use the negative connection. Now need to connect the display. Display got 3 wire. Black one for negative and red one for positive. 12 voltage to start the to switch on the display, and yellow one is for the counting the voltage. So we have only 12 voltage. For this case, the yellow and red one I use together to the direct positive voltage. Yellow and red one I use to the direct positive voltage, and black one is the negative. The black one is the negative. Black one will goes to the negative voltage. Look, I use black one to the negative voltage. I use negative voltage to the black. I don't use the black one. I use another wire for the negative voltage. Now I'm switching on. Every output got 15 voltage. Every output got 15 voltage. But our main voltage is 12. But we are showing 15 voltage for the capacitor. We are showing 15 voltage for the capacitor. Now our charger is ready. This 4 switch for the 4 output. 4 switch for the 4 output voltage. Our charger is ready. Thanks to watch. You can make a charger